When it comes to architectural designers in Mumbai, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a name that stands out. With their expertise and innovative approach, they have established themselves as leaders in the field. The team at SCON Design India consists of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are passionate about creating exceptional designs that not only meet the client's requirements but also exceed their expectations. SCON Design India is known for their attention to detail and commitment to delivering high-quality designs. They understand the importance of creating spaces that are not only visually appealing but also functional and sustainable. Their designs are a perfect blend of aesthetics, practicality, and efficiency. Whether it is residential, commercial, or institutional projects, SCON Design India has the capability to handle them all with ease. What sets SCON Design India apart from other architectural designers in Mumbai is their ability to understand the client's vision and translate it into a concrete design. They believe in collaborating closely with their clients throughout the design process to ensure that every aspect of the project is aligned with their needs and preferences. This client-centric approach has earned them a reputation for delivering customized solutions that truly reflect the client's personality and style. SCON Design India takes pride in their ability to deliver projects within the stipulated timeframe and budget. They understand the importance of timely execution and effective project management. In conclusion, if you are looking for architectural designers in Mumbai, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd should be your top choice. With their expertise, innovation, and commitment to excellence, they can create stunning designs that will exceed your expectations. Their client-centric approach and efficient project management make them a reliable partner for all your architectural design needs. When it comes to architectural design in Mumbai, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as one of the leading firms in the industry. As architectural designers, they are known for their innovative and creative approach to designing spaces that are not only visually appealing but also functional and practical. With their extensive experience and expertise in the field, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has successfully completed numerous projects across Mumbai, ranging from residential buildings to commercial establishments. They are responsible for designing buildings that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also meet the needs and requirements of the clients. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of creating spaces that are not only visually stunning but also functional and sustainable. They take into consideration various factors such as the site location, climate, and cultural context while designing a project. Their attention to detail and commitment to delivering high-quality designs sets them apart from other architectural firms in Mumbai. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of highly